Hi students, welcome back to A session. Now we are moving to second unit, Ideas of Development. We are familiar with the word development. We often come across the word development in our daily life, such as political development, economic development, cultural development, and social development. Development is an improvement which is in a slow process. Now let's have a glimpse at the meaning of development. It is nothing but an improvement over the existing. If we take the example of early men to present modern men, we can come across a lot of incidents throughout his journey to present day. They or our ancestors were hunter-gatherers. Are we still hunting and gathering? No, we have undergone a lot of changes. These changes we can call as development. Or the national highways which we travel now were once only some trails. In short, we can say that development is achieving the goals of making life better for all and bringing more equality. We have aspirations about what we would like to do or how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like or what are the essential things that we require. Can life be better for all? Can there be more equality for all? Development involves thinking of all these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. In this chapter, we will discuss the term development in detail, which means what development promises to different people having different goals. Is the concept of development same to all people? Is the result which we enjoy today of a development same to all? No, these are different from person to person because different people will have different ideas of development. For example, developmental ideas of a landless farmer is different from a prosperous farmer. And it is also different from a person in organized sector and a person in unorganized sector. A landless laborer may wish for more number of working days, increase in her wages, a society with no discrimination, better education for his kids by the government. Whereas a prosperous farmer may think cheap labor, government subsidy, buying movable or immovable assets, storage, better storage facilities and market facilities for his produces, etc. A person in organized sector may wish for safe investment of his savings, for an education for his children, buying valuable assets, luxurious way of life, etc. So we can conclude that different people will have different developmental goals and one's development is not the development for the other. At times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are quite conflicting. For example, to get more electricity, industrialists may want the construction of more number of dams. This will submerge land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribals. They may disagree the construction of these projects and seek for making small check dams or tanks to irrigate their lands. And another example, we can say that the protest against the construction of nuclear power project of Kudankulam in Tirunelveli districts of Tamil Nadu. This was proposed to build with the collaboration of Russian technology. The government of India set up nuclear power project in the quiet coastal town of Fisher Fox. The aim of this project was to generate more nuclear power to meet the growing energy needs of our country. The people of this country started protesting against this project on the grounds of safety, security, and livelihood. There started the beginning of a long protracted struggle. Environmentalists, scientists, and social activists who were concerned, who were critical of this project, backed these protesters. The letters of their protest say that you are unable to appreciate that in nuclear energy we are confronted not only with an immense power but also an incredible potential of destruction. We want our coast and country protected from radioactive peril and look for other renewable alternatives. They pleaded with the government to stop the very construction of this nuclear power project. But the government has responded that this project has all safety measures and is going ahead with the construction of nuclear power project. From this we can understand that different people have different ideas of development, and what may be the development for one may not be the development for the other.